In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make yourself visible while sharing your screen on Google Meet, specifically when you're delivering a PowerPoint presentation. Now, this is a common concern for many who want to maintain personal presence while showcasing their slides, creating a more connected and engaging experience for their audience. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure that you feel confident and comfortable using this feature. Firstly, you'll need to start your Google Meet session and set everything up as you normally would when preparing for a presentation. This includes starting your Meet session and having your PowerPoint ready to share. In Google Meet, you often have an array of simple yet effective tools at your disposal. The tool we'll be focusing on today is called Picture in Picture. It allows your live camera feed to be superimposed over your presentation so people can see you as well as the slides you're discussing. Once you're ready and in the Meet, begin by looking for the meeting controls. These are usually at the bottom of your screen, where you'll notice a series of icons representing different functions. Among them, you should find an option represented by 3 vertical dots, commonly known as the More Options button. It's positioned near the Raise Hand feature. Clicking here will open up a menu containing several adjustable settings and options. Inside this menu, you'll find the option labeled Picture in Picture. Select this option. This feature is designed to show a smaller overlay window of your video feed on top of the displayed content, in this case your PowerPoint presentation. Once activated, it typically pops up instantly, showcasing your video image alongside the slideshow you're sharing. It's important to take a moment to adjust the picture-in-picture frame to your preference. You can usually drag it around the screen or enlarge and reduce its size to ensure it doesn't obstruct important parts of your slides. Aim to position it where it complements your presentation best, allowing your audience to enjoy both the visual content and your presence simultaneously. With these steps, you're set up to deliver an engaging presentation while also remaining visible to your audience. Always take time before starting to practice moving and resizing your video feed to optimize visibility and minimize possible distractions. Reassure yourself you're centered in the camera and your background looks presentable while the picture-in-picture is enabled. By making yourself visibly present in your Google Meet presentations, you foster a more personal connection with your audience, making them more likely to be engaged in the content you're sharing. Regular practice with this tool can greatly enhance your online communication skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your next virtual presentation even more impactful.